Welcome, legends, in the next tutorial, the best one you will ever see in your life, definitely. Let's check out some new methods that we are going to talk about. The first one is include, and include is, as it says, we can check if the word or a number is included inside of our string or inside of our array of strings or array of numbers. First of all, let's create an array equal to, let's give it some random numbers. All right, let's also already create a random string. This is a random string with words inside of it. And let's also create some variables. So word 1, this. Word 2, that. Word 3 equals to random. And having that, we can check if these words exist in our string of in our array. And how do we use this method? We just call array or whatever it is, or a string array dot include, and here we are gonna check just because it's an array of numbers, we're gonna first check if we are gonna also console log it. If we have some specific numbers, for example 23, refresh, true, and 69, refresh, true, 695, refresh, false. So it's falsy. Let's put some variable, word 1, false, not a surprise. Same thing with the string. String includes. We can pass a random string here, for example a, true. As we can see, the a is right here. We can pass word 1, true, which is this, word 2, and so on and so on. However, we can also pass a second argument in our method, and here we are gonna pass the point where we want to start looking for it. So here we have to just pass an index at which we want to start looking for our we can also pass another argument to our function, to our method include, and this argument is an index at which we want to start looking for this word. So let's say that we put this right here, and we're gonna start this word 1. We're gonna be looking for the word this, and as you can see, as I press 0, it's true. If I, let's say, type 30, not here, but here, 30 at index 30, refresh, it's false. So this 30 is somewhere right here. Let's say 10, it's still false. Why is it false? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is because this method is case sensitive. So if I type with a small letter here, refresh. Now it's true because it reads this word. Okay, same thing with the array of numbers. Nothing fancy. Let's say we want to have 23 right here, and array, we are looking for 23 at the index of 0. Okay, it will find true, of course. Yes, it's true. If we then go to number 2, index of 2 is also true, because we are now looking from 0, 1, and 2. I mean, 2 is also included, so if I type here number 3 and we change the last letter, the last number, so now it should type true, 0, 1, 2. Okay, it's inclusive, yeah, so only at 3 it will show our false.